Do you know that your Outlook also be set into a dark mode? Follow the steps. Go to File, click on Options. Through Options, you got here General. Then look for the options Office Theme. You could have colorful, dark gray and white. So if you want to have a dark gray, this is how it's going to look like. Now your mail will be highlighted, names will be highlighted, and the rest of the background is gray or dark. Now if you want to go back to the original, follow the same step, go to File, Options, then Office Theme, click on White, and OK. Quick Steps is very helpful for you, especially when you are sending messages directly to someone who you're frequently messaging. So for example, I'm going to create a new quick steps for my team, so I can just click on that and send a message. So this is how it goes. So quick tab is found on the home menu. Click on home and it is going to show to you. So I have created already the HOS, which is for when I click on it, that will already going to have a mail for Mr. Daniel. See it on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to create a quick step for my team. Okay, so I'm going to home, then quick steps, create new. So for there you have the name of your quick step, so I can name it year 3. Then from here I could choose action. So we have lots of action here: move to folder, copy folder, and all. I'm going to look for create new message. Okay, so from create new message, I'll click on 2, then look at my team. Okay, added 1. Another 2. Three. 4, and finally 5. Then I could create OK. So all my team's name are already added. Then I could create the it could have a shortcut key for that, so that I could easily open an email and send it to them. Like for example, I'll choose Control Shift 1. I click on that, this automatically will open email for them, and then click on Finish. Alright, so it's already here on the quick step box. Here 3 teachers. So for example, I want just to send a mail to all my teachers, so I click on year 3 teachers through quick steps. Currently it's still loading. Let's just wait. Maybe it's still processing. Here's year 3. I click on year 3. Now here it goes. It's just automatically going to be sent to them. So I could type already my messages, and all of my team can receive it just on one click. And you are searching for a particular mail from any one of your senders, so you can just find that search folder right here on the left. And you are searching for a particular mail from any one of your senders, so you can just find that search folder right here on the left corner, the left side of your screen. So click that, scroll down and look for search folders. Click on search folders. You can do right click on it, then search folder. So you can have some unread mail flagged for follow-up, or some important people. Okay, so I click on unread mail, click on OK. That, that unread mail will just be added here in the search folder, and then it will just going to filter. So currently I don't have any unread mail, so I'm going to look and add another folder. So right click on the search folder tab, new search folder. For example, I want to have for any particular person, so mail from specific people. Then I'm going to look, I will for example add someone. So click on choose. Then again, from our organization, look for someone there that you wanted to add. Okay, it's now added. Then click on OK. Then another OK. So that person will be added again on your search folder, and then all the mail will be filtered. All the mails coming from that person will now appear on that search folder. Alright, so if you want to add more search folder options, you just right click on the search folder again. If you want to rename or to delete the search folder from your search folder box, so right click on that name, and it will appear. You can have renamed that folder, or you can delete that folder as well. So I was deleted for a while. Now it is deleted. If I wanted to rename that unread mail into another mail, so I'd have here. Okay, commit. Then click on enter. Now it is renamed. Again, if you wanted to delete the folder, you can also delete that one. Alright. Next trick is the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is just found here at the left corner of your Next trick is the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is just found here at the left corner of your screen. Okay, the left top corner, where you can already see here the default access toolbar. That's the undo. We got here the send and receive all folders and the mouse touch mode. Alright, so if you wanted to add another task or tool, you just click on the arrow down. Then if you wanted to add print, click on the print, and then you can just click on this icon if you wanted to print something on your email. If you wanted to add more commands, go again to that arrow down, click on more commands. Then you have here lots of commands that you can choose from. So now you can, for example, click on new appointment, then click on add. That is already here on the list. And if you wanted to also add new message or create message, new email, add, and then click on OK. Okay, all the things or the tools that you've been chosen or selected is already added here on your quick access toolbar. Alright, so click on the new email toolbar. It will just direct you to the new email. Alright, and a lot more. I hope you have learned something from my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.